Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to talk about an amazing website where you can generate a fascinating image based on your thought, your idea with artificial intelligence. This amazing website for today is Starry AI, starry.ai. Here in this amazing website, you can generate wonderful images based on your imagination, ideas, thoughts without lifting a finger with artificial intelligence. And for sure, you can use this amazing website for free because here you have free 5 credits a day. And for sure, Starry AI has also 2 applications, so you can use this amazing website on your Android phones and your iPhones beside this desktop version. And here to generate your wonderful image based on your ideas with artificial intelligence, here you have to use artificial intelligence engines. Either you can alter that produces dreamlike images more abstract, or Arion that produces unreal reality often more cohesive. And for sure, I recommend you to use your application on your phones, Android or iPhones, okay, to be quicker and smoother. So let's get together to my phone to use this amazing website to generate high quality and amazing image based on your idea, thought, and your imagination. Let's go. Okay, as you see here, after downloading this amazing application starry.ai on your phone, and as I said before, here in this amazing application you have daily free 5 credits, and I used one to generate this amazing image. As you see, fire poles. Okay, and to generate your wonderful image based on your ideas and your thought, all you have to do, just you can insert here, you see the keyword or your prompt or your order or your idea. Okay, and now you have to select your engine to generate your fascinating image. Alter that produces dreamlike images, more abstract, or more complicated image that produces often more cohesive. So we can select the first one option, the first engine, and then we can insert your idea or your seed keyword. For example, we can insert here after death, for example. And now you have to add styles to your image. We can select from popular or in the style of, or movements or made of. So we can select from this drop down arrow popular, so we can select some styles like low poly, digital illustration, HDR, and cinema 4D, for example, and we can click over this done. Okay, and just we can here to find below some advanced options, like we can select the canvas size. Okay, as you see, landscape, portrait, square or wide, and runtime and the model, realistic or unrealistic, and so on and so forth. So we can get enough with these default settings, and just we can click over this button, create, and you can confirm create your artwork based on your keyword after death. Okay, and just a few seconds, and here you will find your amazing image with artificial intelligence. And now, as you see here, painting in progress, your creation is processing. You will receive a notification once your creation is ready. As you see here, you will find your final result for your image after death, as you see an abstract image. So here you have some options like share this image, evolve, upscale, or animate, or publish immediately. Of course, you can download it to your device from here. Okay, perfect. Okay, and if you are wondering if you can use these generated images in your project, so let me show you this amazing answer from this starry.ai blog. As you see, can you sell artificial intelligence generated art? Yes, the artwork generated didn't use any assets that could infringe copyright laws. You own 100% of the rights to do with it however you please. So you can use this generated artificial intelligence art in your projects for commercial users. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.